cut up. I can cut up. Let me give y'all one. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
I've been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they move. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major. Because I got all the trumpets.
Cari crew. Hey man, I missed a day of Vlogmas, man. Deep side, man. I missed a day of Vlogmas, man. That's my bad. I tried, man. I tried to stay committed. I mean, you know, it wasn't my fault. I posted some shorts, you know what I'm saying, yesterday, so that kind of count for something. It got to count for something a little bit, right, Cari crew? Just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I mean, hey, man, so I thought that count. But look, I'm back like I never left, you know what I'm saying? It's Vlogmas, you know what I'm saying? Day 22, man. Day 22 of Vlogmas, you feel me? I got a POV for y'all, man. I don't know what's really in store. I wanted to do another POV, a drifting every turn. I wanted to do one of them. Look at 12, undercover 12 over there. I wanted to do a drifting every turn, but I don't know. I may do that in this video soon, like upcoming the weekend, man. But y'all let me know, man. Y'all want another drifting every turn I make, man. Y'all want another one of those, you know what I'm saying? But hey, man, for all of the new people watching, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way. But right now, my goal is to try to hit 10K. We're manifesting 10K this year, man, for the end of the year, man. But I want to at least hit 9K, bro. I'm at 8,200. I need 9K, man. I need to be rounding off at 9K, bro, on the 31st. You feel me? Trying my best to, Cari, because y'all like the video. Get the video to 100 likes, bro. That's a goal for every video, bro. 100 likes, bro. Like, come on, bro, we can do 100. It's more than 100 of y'all watching the video, bro, so at least give your boy 100 likes, man. 100 likes is all I ask for, Cari crew. That's it, man. 100 likes, nigga. 100 likes, nigga. That's it. But no, but yeah, man, y'all can see, man, we are in Olivia, one of the biggest, you know what I'm saying? One of the biggest. And she in sport mode, by the way. We're in sport mode with it, straight off the rip. Man, I'm going a different route. Going on these roads, man, we got a little, you know what I'm saying? I could probably get a little sound in. Is that a cat? Oh, this is a Hemi wheel. SRT wheels. Well, I smell like something burnt. I know it ain't Olivia. I'm finna turn the heat on. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's too cold today. I'm at that heat and air. I'm tripping with 11.9 miles per gallon. Oh my Lord. But that is like crazy. It just crazy to me. I got half a tank with 100 miles. I ain't never let my MPG get this low, bro. Oh my Lord. But yeah, man, just a little, you know what I'm saying, slight little cut up, man. Man, where's the 2-lane? There we go. Ooh. Boy, I gotta change that right brake. Let me get one. My Lord. Another one. I'm scared. My Lord. What we got? Woo-hoo. That's a little up, car crew, man? Y'all know we get down, man. POV, man. We POVing all the time, man. Lord. My Lord. Look at these folks going on, man. My Lord. Y'all gotta put a... My Lord. Y'all gotta put a... Y'all gotta put a median right here, bro. Y'all tripping. I don't know my window like that. Bro, that jump... Bro, even with scat spinning, bro, they lift up. But, bro, if it didn't... If I had some, like... If I would've had, like, some good tires or it wasn't cold like this... Bro, that junk could be insane, bro. Cutting up in traffic, man. Hopefully y'all can hear Olivia pretty well. That's all, man. I don't really got too much to say, man. I just can't believe I missed a day, bro. I couldn't. It like, man, life happened, bro. Like, it's just life happened, bro. I couldn't record yesterday. You know what I'm saying? We here. I want to give y'all at least something worth looking at. You feel me? I just didn't have the time, man. I didn't have the time. Like I said, life happened, bro. But hey. Yeah, I really don't know where I'm going, but hey, man, we riding though. You know what I'm saying? We riding. Give y'all a quick, you know what I'm saying, quick POV, man. The POV might not be that long, but hey, man, just showing, keeping the consistency, bro, the best way I can. Give y'all a short pull, man. Y'all can see we got a little Mexico traffic in front of us, man. A little Mexico traffic, man. That's crazy how loud Olivia is. Y'all scats ain't sounding like that on camera, man. Y'all can hear it, bro. Y'all hear the difference, bro. Crazy. Just turn back around. I don't even want to keep going down that way. Oh, it's a speed bump. A ghetto speed bump. It ain't even no speed bump. It just look like it. But that heat feels so good at the same time with the cool. But these side gas stations be jugging. Bro, gas over here like $3.50 still. I can go down the road and get gas for under $3, bro. And people gonna buy it. It's just crazy because gas, you need it, bro. Some people don't care about gas prices or they just ain't got no choice. But that's crazy, bro. Like, how they can do that and that's legal. Like, you literally down the street for somebody else. Oh, let me cut up. I can cut up. Let me give y'all one. Olivia got a little wicked. We got a little wiggy, man. I'm talking on the first gear pull. Well, she was spinning like a mom. I had to put in the roll. Look at that button. What you want to do? I think I know who that is. Never mind, that's a V6. I don't know who that is. It was a Mustang anyway. But, you know, a Mustang look like a freaking GT. What GT stand for Mustang? You know, everybody got their own meaning. I know y'all probably got a dumb one. GT probably stand for, I don't even know. For y'all, 6-speed is a grand turtle, for sure. Great turtle. For 6-speed Mustang, automatic and manual. GT stand for great turtle for y'all. Know what that stands for? A great turtle, a loud turtle. Get that house a bit hard. Cari crew. I'm just giving y'all unlimited pulls, literally. Like just literally, bro. Every space I get, giving y'all a pull, man. Man, y'all give me the 10K. I'm telling y'all that 10K special gonna be so crazy, Cari crew. I'ma literally show my ass for y'all, bro. Not like literally like that, for y'all weird niggas, but I'm saying like show my ass in the whip, like get crazy, get wicked. Like y'all gonna really see me slide all that. Like I ain't gonna tell too much. Just get your boy to 10K, bro. Until it might be 10 videos like that. Like y'all just don't understand, bro. Get your boy right, man. Get your boy right. You know what I'm saying? Like the video. Stay loyal to the crew, man. Stay loyal to the crew. My bad. I had the camera too close. My bad. Bro, do y'all hear that? Get the truck out my way. Oh my goodness, boy, that scared me a little bit. I ain't gonna even lie. I'm living. Chill out. 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 Let me get one. There go another Mustang. I'm gonna hit it, bit. Look at him. What you got? What you got? What you got? Ooh, another V6. It's alright. At least y'all buying them. You know what I'm saying? At least y'all buying them. Roll. Let's see what traffic we got for another Mustang. That's all, man. I see what we, you know what I'm saying? I see what we doing, man. I see what we doing. Get my downshift on. How you be getting warm in the wintertime? But it don't take but a few seconds, I'm gonna drop right back down. They got take my foot off a neck a little bit, that's all. Got my foot on the neck, my bad, Olivia got in the chokehold, I'm sorry. I just dry you so well. You know what I'm saying? Nobody gonna dry you like I dry you, you know what I'm saying? And it's a safe way. Like, do y'all hear that, bro? Like, I know y'all hear that. Cari girl, I know y'all hear it. But chill out, bro. But hey, man. I'm just happy to be recording, man. Again, man, I love doing this, bro. Like y'all I really love recording and making videos for y'all, man. I want to be inspiring, motivational, all that, bro. Because everybody I watch is an inspiration to me in some kind of way. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to where they at next level, but not actually the same way as them, but get on their type of level. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get on that level, motivational, man. Now comment down below, man. I read all the comments. Comment down below, just drop an emoji. Just let me know that you tuned in. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't never commented before, you don't watch more than one of my videos, bro. Comment now. You know what I'm saying? Let me know that you know what I'm saying? You here? You feel me? Cause obviously views ain't got no names on them. Obviously views ain't got no name on them. You know what I'm saying? But hey. Look at TRX. That's a TRX dude, bro. They're like five of them in my city, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like 5 of them in my city. Cari crew, man. They don't understand, bro. A lot of folk rock with me. I mean, a couple folk rock with me around my area. You know what I'm saying? Or they'll come out for a video, you know what I'm saying? Whatever like that. But it just be like, man, why not try to support your boy? That's what y'all ask for. Y'all want to see more people in the video. Y'all want to see, you know what I'm saying? I want to see more people in the video. Y'all want to see, like, you know what I'm saying? Mopars on Mopar content. Mustang versus Mopar. Like, just different cars in the POV, bro, cutting up. Like, you know what I'm saying? I accept all builds, you feel me? All V8 builds, ain't gonna lie. Unless you just got, like, a nice Stinger, you know what I'm saying? Some fast, you know what I'm saying? But all V8s, bro. I accept them all. I'm just being real though, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with V6. I'm just saying, like, for what y'all, I know what y'all want to see, what y'all don't. We ain't gonna sit here and just sugarcoat, like, you know what I'm saying? Let's just be real. Let's just be real. But I accept all bills, man. I know I talk shit about Mustang. Y'all still can be in the video. They make it even better because folks already know I talk shit about y'all. So y'all in the video, y'all already know you finna hear something, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on with it, huh? Like, it's just simple as that. But yeah, man, y'all folks don't be wanna, you know what I'm saying, pop out. Some people do, but like, I want y'all to pop out like together in groups, bro. I mean, you know what I'm saying? At least 3 of us, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just cutting up, doing what I'm doing, driving, downshifting, making a little noise, being ignorant. You know what I'm saying? Just being ignorant. That's all. That's all you doing. In a good way. I ain't asking you to go crazy. I ain't telling you to speed. I just tell you may know it with me. And you be in front of me, you know what I'm saying? Put your camera, get your little camera time, man. I'm trying to help everybody grow. I'm trying to help everybody eat. And you know what I'm saying, a certain way. You can't help everybody now, but I'm just saying, like, when I be like, you know what I'm saying, trying to reach out there or whatever, I'm still gonna get it now. Either way, on my own or with whoever, I'm still gonna get it by any means. But it's just like, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to get y'all what y'all wanna see, because y'all tell me that. Y'all wanna see people, you know what I'm saying, cutting up with me, taking over. Like when I go to the A, that's why I go to the A. And the A, bro, you know what I'm saying, it's just there. That's just the lifestyle. Like, niggas on board, you know what I'm saying? Cause we know what's going on, bro. We all doing YouTube. Ain't too many people doing YouTube. Like, you doing it, you know what I'm saying? Like doing, well, do what I do anyway, or just doing car content, being out and involved. A couple of them do, but not like how I do it, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there for sure, our group. We're gonna get there for sure, man. But hey, you know, it is what it is. But hey, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Look at that. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, you know what I'm saying? Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Like I said at the end of my video, man, you gotta go, you're trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit and you can touch it. You know what I'm saying? Car crew, you can touch it. And for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man, you know. Stay prayed up, you know what I'm saying? Stay blessed, you know, spend time with him. Build a relationship with him, man. Build your faith. All that, man. All of it. I'm telling you, it helps. It helps my life, and he's here to help you. You know what I'm saying? But, anyway, man, like I also said on the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.